Hello guys, welcome to another easy guitar tutorial. Today we are going to learn a beautiful song called All of the Stars by Sheeran. For the basics of this song, you need your guitar and standard tuning, and you will need a capo on the 4th fret of your guitar. So put your capo on the 4th fret and let's jump to the lesson. In the first verse we have two lines of chords, and we are going to strum each chord once and hold them out, but there is specific timing that you will need to add here. Basically, C at 9 and the G are playing for 2 beats each, and then E minor 7 and D play for 1 beat, and then C at 9 for 1 beat again. And in the second part of chord, the G is held out for 4 beats, and then D hold out for 4 beats. So the first verse will sound like this. So again. Now in the second verse we are going to add a new strumming pattern which goes like down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And the chords are exactly the same, but notice that there are some numbers about chords. And for example, for C at 9 is 1, for G is 1, for C at 9 again 1, and for G is 2, and for D is 2. So it means that we're going to play these chords for one strumming pattern and G and D for 2 strumming pattern. But you don't see any number about E minor 7 and D chord. That means we're just going to strum each chord. So the second part will sound like this. Now, before we get to the chorus part, we are going to add a new strumming pattern for the chorus, which sound like down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Now finally we get to the chorus part, which is really easy. We have again two lines of chords. In the first line we have G, D, E minor 7, and C at 9. So in the first line of chords, the number of bar chords are 4. So it means that we're going to play each chord for 4 strumming pattern. And the second line of chords, we have G again for 4 strumming pattern, D 4, E minor 7, 1, G 1, and finally D for ones. So in total the chorus part will sound like this. And that's it guys, thanks for the watching. If you find out this lesson helpful, Please hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more easy guitar tutorials. See you later.